Hi, my name is Maria Camila Galindo. Today talk about how did do Coca Cola and okay, how did they do it? Yes. The most popular soda in the world was produced in Atlanta, Georgia, USA. The Coca-Cola ingredients are secret and they are safe by the company. Yes, vanilla, sugar, lemon, nut straight, and the secret recipe were mixed all together by John Pemberton in order to create the Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola is produced by engineers who use high-technology machines. Yeah. The first step requires to mix all ingredients. The syrup is mixed with water in a special container by employee. The coloring and the sweet liquid are mixed by the machine. More than 1,500 aluminum cans are produced by the cans producing machine. The Coca-Cola cans are made upside down and they are washed before being filled. Yes. The syrup gas is produced by the high-pressure carbon machine. The Coca-Cola is cooled under 5 degrees Celsius in the freezer. The Coca-Cola dispensing machine fills the cans with the liquid. The cans are closed the fastest possible by a machine before the gas disappears. At that high speed, some cans are not completely filled out. The ones that were not correctly filled are pulled down. The cans are washed by a washing machine, then they are delivered by the employees. Yeah. At last, the cans are delivered around the world. Thank you. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye. Thank you.